So a few people have been asking me about the quick release button fasteners that I put on my bumper. So this whole setup that I'm going to show you right now, there is no tools needed. Like everything could just be done either by pressing the fastener or twisting off a screw, one of these screws right here. So these are the fasteners I'm talking about. They're just buttons. So they're just like a little button, you press it and it will disengage. I'll show you over here a different one I have. So the kit is really just these two pieces. So like you can see, you put this on your bumper, mount this to a bracket behind the bumper, and then when you put them together and you push it, it clicks it and it holds together. You just press the button and it comes off. So the ones that are on the car, of course, are a lot smaller, but I'll show you guys how I take off my bumper. So for this setup, all you really need is a quick release fastener, which is this one, and a screw with a handle, like this one. Okay, so super simple, guys. I got a quick release button right here. I have one on the other side. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 2 more quick releases down there. One there and one over there. And I'm gonna show you those once I take the bumper off. So really easy, here you go. Just press this, that's loose. The next side, press this, it's out. The bottom, you could already feel it, it's out. The next one, it's out. Now you just take these screws off. But that's it. Like you see, it's just those, the buttons, and then the whole bumper just comes off. So all you have to do now is just unplug the lights and you're good to go. Let me unplug the lights so I can turn the bumper to the side so I can show you guys what I mean about the quick releases I did in the bottom. Okay, so these are the buttons I was talking about. This is under the diffuser. And it has a little groove right here. So I feel like that button's pretty safe down there, but we'll see. And then on the other side, all I did was, so this is a bracket that I installed and it has the quick connect screw on the other side. And this bracket was just connected to the lower arm down there. Same thing on the other side. When you back up, this is what it looks like. And that's about it. Like I said, 1, 2, one on that side, one on that side, and then 4 screws on the top. Once you have the bumper on, like that, then it's just putting the screws on and clicking everything back together. We're all done, and like you guys can see, the bumper, it's on really tight, so it's not gonna go nowhere. So that's pretty much all it is. It's just 4 bolts on top, 1 fastener on each side, and then the 2 in the bottom. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.